Francesca, if you could possibly, because obviously visually, the books are striking as well. Could you tell us a little bit about the illustrations?
Well, I was super lucky with Two Terrible Vikings because I had one illustrator instantly in my mind, and luckily my publishers agreed, which was Steve May. And one of the reasons I wanted him was that Steve does these really funny, cartoony, wild pictures. And they just bring so much life to the story. And of course, when you have a really great illustrator, it inspires you to think of funny things for him to illustrate. So I've come up with like a mad chicken, because I know he's going to do a really funny, crazy chicken. And he's done, yes, he hasn't denied it. One of the characters he's drawn, I have to say, Dirty Elf, to have hair a lot like mine. She looks like she has been electrocuted in her hair. Dirty Elf is crazed. He denies that this is based on me, but I think he's lying. But yes, it's so important to have great pictures that just add so much life and warmth and humor. He's had to draw a berserker for the next book, you know, one of these crazed wild men. And he sent me the picture and I just burst out laughing. So it's just great to have that immediate, oh my God, this is so funny. Because it really lets, if you're browsing in a bookshop, it really lets you know, oh, this book's going to be funny. And that's the message I really want to get across. And it really helps to have a very funny picture on the cover and in the book as well.